Okay. Set, go.
Okay, today we'll open my Francessa's egg in funny Dory inside. I'm going to show you. There's Dory. Yeah. So much. So much open.
So hard.
Yeah. The
What?
steamboat, eh?
Sibuk.
Yeah.
The batok. The tail, you mean?
Yeah.
Where's the...
Where's the tail, Mommy? Where's the tail? The
Then
open
you need to flip it.
flip.
Flip.
Okay. Flip where?
Let me help you. Push it like this, no? Here is Dory face. And how about the tail? The tail is like that. Is that the tail like that?
Yep.
Okay, how about the fin? This the fin. How like that? How about the other one?
Yeah.
Wow, here we go. We have Dory.
What?
You want to tell your friends? Yes, this is the Dory. Looks like. See? Let's see the Dory face. Okay, wow, that's the Dory. Can the Dory swim?
Can
Like this. Okay, that's it for today.
Yeah.
Don't you say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Bye. Bye. Bye, friend.
Bye,
That's it for today.
Today.
I'll see you next
See
time.
you next time.
See here. Look here. Oh, look here, please. Bye-bye. Can you fix that? Mommy help. To fix this, you just put it like... Put it like this. Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Say bye-bye, friend.
Bye, friends. Good morning.
Good night here. Good night. See here. Good night.
Good night, Dory.
Good night, Dory.
Yeah,
Bye. Bye-bye. French kiss.
Good night.
Good night.
You're sleeping.
We are going to sleep soon.
You're going to sleep soon.
Oh, the Dory is sleeping. Yes.